welcome to the video and to the channel. Today we're gonna do some shopping, and there's some few changes to the law here, which is quite confusing. But yeah, everyone's going out now, but there's still 2 meters distance in place, so there's still the social distancing thing, but people are allowed to get out now. So we're gonna buy some few items from different shops. That's how we usually roll. So yeah, right now we're already in the first shop right now. Okay, took some pineapple and some green beans, guys.
Salad tomato.
I don't know. How many?
About 3.
We're finished shopping in the first shop. We're going to the next one now. In that first shop we bought some chicken and some, oh yeah, there's some veg and fruits that were quite nice actually. Like, we were not expecting them to be there. That's why we bought some, and they really look nice, like, you know, presko sila tanan. So yeah. Okay guys, one shop done. We're going to the third one now, which is a wholesaler shop. I did explain this in the other video, but just for the sake of the new viewers or new subscribers, it's basically an exclusive shop where you need like an ID to scan to be able to go in.
Members only.
Yeah, members only. The products are in bulk, so yeah.
Sale.
Alright guys, we're inside the wholesaler shop right now, so I'm just keeping my voice down. As you can see, they're in bulk. There we go. Chili con carne. Yan no. Spam. Isang lata gusto nyo. Corn beef yan. Laki. Okay guys, as you can see, there's a lot to do. May mineral water kami dyan, may mga blue roll para sa kusina. We're using disposable blue rolls, you see. A pack of rice and flour. And some few tidbits and everything, so yeah. Oh yeah, we also have king prawns here. So yeah, this is our weekly shopping, guys, and we're also gonna buy some, we also bought some few stuff for Henry's birthday tomorrow.
Simple.
Yeah, just a simple birthday. It's quite bad because, like, you know, we're in the quarantine, but yeah, there's nothing we can do. We'll just do what we can, I guess. So yeah, we're just gonna have a little celebration tomorrow.
Simple.
Yeah, a simple little celebration.
Thanksgiving, that, you know.
Mm.
See, there's a long queue.
So okay guys, as you can see, mataas yung linya. Well, actually this is closer. So yeah, yung may mga ano, may mga tips sa sahig. Yeah, it's very tiring, guys, because everyone's like not doing the social distancing, so you have to, like, we have to be mindful as well. Like every corner that we have to turn, like we have to see if anyone's there, but some people are just not too
Observant.
oh, yeah, they're not observant. So yeah, like there was earlier, like there was an old lady just passed by at the back, and that was definitely not 2 meters. It was like, I don't know, less than 1 meter even. So yeah, it's just quite stressful inside there. Okay guys, sa labas kami nagluto kasi masikip sa loob. So, here we go. Egg wash. Egg bath actually. Yan. Lagay natin dyan. And guys, I'm just gonna shake this.
Hi guys, it's my birthday, but guess what? I'm still cooking. So I'm cooking today is king prawns with butter, and then after the butter, I'm gonna add the garlic, and then after the garlic, then it's just the prawns. It's really simple, but it's my mom's recipe, so it's really good. Alright guys, gatinabangay may tanan. All 6 of us nag-assign nga dish for each one. Well, Raven's doing the table, I'm doing the fried chicken, among papa ga barbecue, si Saak ga kuan sa prawns, si Georgia ga kuan sa kamera, si mama amoy ga andam sa mussels, which I'm gonna show you soon. So yeah, dagay putahe, special day man. So yeah, this thing. And Frodo, I don't know what you're doing, you're just playing, right, Frodo? Frodo. So the next dish by the birthday boy is baked mussels. So what we basically do is we put butter on top of the mussels and we add cheese on top of it. So the type of cheese we have is colored cheddar right over here. There. And then we just put it on top. So we don't have that much left. Okay guys, set na yung table. Yan na sila. And here's the display for today. So everyone worked together to make this happen. And there's the birthday cake there as well. It's time to sing happy birthday now to that guy over there.
Right.
Oh my lord.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
dear
Henry.
Forgot my name.
Happy birthday to you. Hey! Wish.
What should
Oh
we-
wait, crap.
Oh, nothing then.